Hey Steffi, Nossen friends, I am so excited to share some ballet exercises with you that you can do from your home. We are going to start in a first position with our hands on our hips. A quick warm-up. We do tendu front, close first, and plie, and straight, and tendu, close first, plie, and straight. Repeat, side. Close first, plie, and straight, side and first, plie, and straight. Repeat to the back, plie, tendu, plie, releve, balance, arms to first. See if you can hold it, heels down on 8. Repeating the same thing on the other side. Let's try it with music. Let's try it. First position, tendu front, and plie, and tendu, and plie. To the side, point your toes, plie, to the side, plie, point your feet to the back, plie, straight knees, tendu, plie, releve, find your balance, arms to first, nice job, heels down, other side, tendu, plie, straight knees, then plie, to the side, tendu, plie, tendu, plie, to the back, plie, tendu back, plie. Last releve, test your balance, lift your center, and finish nicely standing tall, tall spine, happy backs. Beautiful. Let's try an exercise where we lift our legs off of the ground. We are elongating our legs. We start in first position with our hands on our hips again. We do a demi-plie and straighten and lengthen to the front. Then passe, extend to the side, and passe, closing first, plie, and straight, extend to the side, first, passe, extend, passe, close first, plie, and first, to the back, and first, and passe, and side, passe, arms to first. Test your balance on one leg. If you'd like to try to releve, you can. And then finish in first position. We will repeat on the other side. Let's try it with music. Seven, 8, we plie and extend, long legs, passe, extend, passe, close first, plie, extend side, and passe, extend, passe, closing first, plie. Then we go to the back first. Passe, extend, passe, and hold. Arms to first. Test your balance. Try your releve if you'd like. And first position, other side. We plie and extend to the front, passe, extend, passe, close first, we plie, and extend to the side, then passe, extend, passe, keeping your hips even. Passe, extend, passe, and hold. Arms to first, find your balance. See if you can releve. And finish nicely. Good. Let's try a turning exercise. So we'll start with our feet together in parallel, and either you can have your hands on your shoulders or your arms in first position, whatever you're most comfortable with. We will do it once on the right, once on the left, once on the right again, and once on the left. So you can try different variations with your arms if you would like. I will start here. Our feet do a releve with tiny, tiny little bourrée steps. We are just stepping in place and finding our spot. I would like to see 3 turns on one side with your spot. We go 1, 2, 3, then plié. Other side, we go 1, 2, 3, and plié. Then we'll repeat again. Let's try with music. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and plié. Other side, we go 1, 2, 3, and plié. And again, go 1, 2, 3, plié. Last time, releve 1, 2, 3, and plié, and finish. Let's try a jumping exercise to finish. So with our hands on our hips in first position, I would like to see 3 jumps, 3 sautés in first, starting with a plié. We do 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Releve. 1, 2, 3. And tendu. 2 second. Plié. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Releve. 2, 3. And tendu to first. That is part A. Part B starts 8 échappés. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Releve. Hold your balance. If you'd like to try lifting your arms to 5th. And finish. Plié. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Releve. And tendu. Plié. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Releve. And tendu. Échappés. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Releve. Arms to 5th. And finish. If you can find space in your home, or since it's getting to be a little bit nicer outside, maybe somewhere in your yard, I would invite you to do some big jumps. Let's do a chassé and sauté arabesque. Then we switch to the other side. Chassé and sauté arabesque. Another way you can do it is around your room in a circle. So we will start with our right foot front, all the way back in our corner. We tendu front. We do chassé and sauté left, chassé and sauté right, chassé and sauté left, chassé and sauté. You can do this all the way across your backyard, or you can do it in a circle.